Tea tree essential oil is one of the most well-known essential oils. It's been all over the news for many years. With so much conflicting information on the internet, you might be wondering what tea tree's actual benefits are. I'm going to talk about 3 of them with you. But first I want to tell you that I decided to take a trip to visit a tea tree essential oil distiller in South Africa, and it was an amazing experience. Hi, I'm Andrea Boucher, founder of Aromatherapy Institute, and I have some really fun and educational pictures to show you. I went out into the tea tree plantation with the distiller and the farmer. The trees themselves are so beautiful, and the land was really special. I had never seen tea tree growing in nature. I felt like I was meeting a new friend. I was so excited. And the farmer was even laughing at me, actually, because I was just so thrilled to see the plant. He harvested the plant material and brought it to the distillery. This is such a labor-intensive process. It really gives us a deep appreciation for the amount of work that goes into growing the plants that our essential oils come from, harvesting them, and then distilling them to produce the essential oil. It truly is a labor of love. We took the huge pile of plant material and put it into the still to create the essential oil. The aroma was amazing even before we pulled the plant material into the still. I learned all about distilling tea tree, how the essential oil is used by the local community, and all the various health benefits. I've used tea tree for most of my adult life, but meeting the plant and seeing the production process for the essential oil gave me a whole new appreciation for our little bottles of essential oil. Okay, let's talk about 3 of tea tree's top benefits. It's got a lot of benefits, but let's talk about 3 specific ones, okay? One is to reduce infection caused by cold or flu, even sinus infection. You can just take a drop of tea tree and put it in a bowl of steamy hot water. Then you close your eyes and you lean over the bowl and you just allow the steam to come into your sinuses. Amazing. You can even put a towel over your head, as long as you keep your eyes closed and the water's not too hot, and really breathe it in. Great benefits. Another top benefit of tea tree essential oil is that it has excellent potential in the treatment of acne. So, in other words, it's very antimicrobial and it has anti-inflammatory effects. So if you're dealing with acne, you can put tea tree in a little bit of aloe vera gel and just do a little spot treatment right where the acne is. You don't have to put it all over your face, and that will be very beneficial. So for the 3rd top benefit, well, it's about foot fungus. Now, I know no one likes to talk about foot fungus, but tea tree is widely used for fungal infections, and it works really well in combination with other antifungal oils like lavender, geranium, lemongrass, and palmarosa. I'm going to show you how to make a blend, and guess what it's called? No one likes to talk about foot fungus. That's the name of the blend. Okay, and we're going to make the blend in a 1 ounce glass bottle. I love these cobalt blue bottles. They're so beautiful. And I'm going to fill it most of the way with aloe vera gel. So just a little under 1 ounce or under 30 mils. So I have room to put in the soluble and the essential oil. So let's just fill this with the aloe. Perfect. I love aloe vera gel too with funguses because aloe will dry up a situation and funguses are moist. So this is the perfect carrier. But it's a water-based carrier, and the essential oils really won't fully blend in. They won't disperse fully into the aloe. So we use a product called Soluble, which is an all-natural product that will help disperse the essential oils into the aloe vera gel. I put 3 mils of the soluble into this graduated cylinder, and I'm going to pour it right in to join the aloe vera. There we go. And then I'm going to add our very wonderful antifungal essential oils. We're going to start with tea tree, since that's our primary oil. It's such a fresh aroma. I really like it. And I'm going to add 6 drops. And there's 6. And then we're going to add 3 drops of each of the following essential oils. We're going to use lavender, geranium, lemongrass, and palmarosa. So let's start with the lavender. And the lavender is also so skin nourishing, along with being great for foot fungus. 2 and 3, great. I'm saying foot fungus a lot more in this video than I usually say in my everyday life. But I tell you what, this blend brings a lot of relief. Now we've got geranium, 3 drops of geranium. There we go. I can smell that floral aroma. The moment I opened up the bottle, it just jumped right out. Some oils do that. They just jump out of the bottle for you. Then we've got lemongrass. And we're going to put 3 drops of lemongrass. This is such an effective blend. All right. And lastly, 3 drops of our palmarosa. Here we go. That'll just top it off. It's also a nice floral aroma, not quite as strong as a geranium, but really a light, lovely floral. So this blend's going to smell really good, which is nice. Yeah. All right, we've got all our essential oils, we've got our aloe vera gel, and we've got our soluble all together in this little 1 ounce 30 ml bottle. We're going to shake it up, and then we are good to go. So if you enjoyed this video, please feel free to subscribe. That's just clicking the red button below, and then you'll get an alert every time I post a new video, which I do every 2 weeks. All right, thanks. Take care. See you soon. Bye for now.